With decimal place value hundreds and 10,000ths, we've got the number 476.8695. We are asked to find the tens, hundredths, and thousandths. So tens is going to be the 7 right there. Hundredths, to the right of the decimal, we have tenths for the 8, then hundredths for the 6. Then following that 6, we have a 9 in the thousandths spot. And then the 5 would be in 10,000ths, but we're not going to worry about the 10,000ths for this particular problem. So for the tens, we have a 7. For the hundredths, we have a 6. And for the thousandths, we have a 9. Okay, next we have 159.2861. We are asked to identify the number in the tens, tenths, and thousandths. So tens is going to be the 5. Tenths is to the right of the decimal. The first number is the tenths, so that's the 2. And then the thousandths is the 2 is in the tenths, 8 is in the hundredths, 6 is in the thousandths. So we have a 5 in the tens, a 2 in the tenths, and a 6 in the thousandths. Next, we've got 507.3791. And we're asked for the hundreds, hundredths, and thousandths. So hundreds first, that is 507. Hundredths, to the right of the decimal, we have 3 in the tenths, 7 in the hundredths. And then lastly, thousandths, we have 9 in the thousandths. And then the 1 would be 10,000ths, but we're not asked about that. Okay, one more. We have 315.4275, where you need the hundreds, hundredths, and thousandths. So hundreds, it's 300. We need the hundredths. So tenths is the 4, hundredths is the 2, thousandths is the 7. So 3 in the hundreds, 2 in the hundredths, and 7 in the thousandths.